Woke up in your new apartment in your twin-sized bed. Coffee starting, don't remember much. All I know is that you talk too much. Time to go. Ba-ba-dum, ba-ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-ba-bum, ba-ba-dum. You've got those big blue eyes, drive me crazy, make me fantasize about you, baby. And you smell so sweet, like fresh picked daisies. Call me Dahmer, 'cause your heart's so tasty. Ba-ba-dum, ba-ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-ba-bum, ba-ba-dum. And I watched you break like glass you shatter. Said it's my mistake, I make things harder. So I tried my best to shut my mouth, but all the thoughts I hid dug their way out. Ba-ba.
Take off every piece of me until there's only skin on my body. He's what I want, I just cry. He's what I want, give me more time. And I just realized, damn, I got it back.
I hope you guys enjoy, and please like this video because my viewers are getting so low, and I think it's because I haven't really been posting. So yeah, make sure you subscribe because I'm gonna be posting a lot more. Bye.